Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuti Studio. I hope you guys are doing well. For today's tutorial, let's make a cute fluffy crocheted 3D heart. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel before starting. We just need a red yarn, any kind, and a crochet hook, also some cotton stuffing. This is a very basic tutorial, but sometimes making a heart could be confusing for a beginner. So let's learn step by step how to make a perfect heart. Make a magic ring like this. Make your grip tight. I'm using a 3.5 mm crochet hook. Then on the ring, make a chain 1. This is just a foundation chain. We will not count this in our total chains. Then on the ring, only on this portion where both the yarn are overlapping each other, make 6 single crochet right here. Pull the small string to close the ring and make a slip stitch in the first one. Now on this beginner row, you can decide if you want a bigger heart with 6 single crochet. You will get this size heart. If you want to increase, like this one is made with 8 single crochet, meaning the more you increase the single crochet on this first row, you will get a bigger and bigger heart. Let's start with the second row. Chain 1 in start of each and every row. If you have difficulty identifying the first chain, you always use a stitch marker on the chain 1 space. That's how we will know where to finish your row. Then make 2 single crochet on each of the chains. That means we have 6 chains now. Chains or 2 single crochet on each of them, and that will make total 12 single crochet all together. Once you are done, remove the stitch marker and add a slip stitch on that chain to end the row. For the third row, again we will start with a chain 1. Add the stitch marker here if you want to. Then go for 12 single crochet. That means you just have to make 1 single crochet on each of these chains. And make a slip stitch on the last chain. Once you're done with 3 rows, you will notice you're finished with this tiny cap-like structure. Now you have to cut the yarn and remove the yarn from this last chain. Now we will need exactly same one more structure. We will follow the same 3 rows and make one more just in no time. Once you are done, do not cut the yarn for this one. Instead, this way it is easier to hide the whole mess and give you a smoother edge. Now we will have to join both of them together. You can choose any chain to join. Just put the hook inside and make a slip stitch to join. For starting, make a chain 1. Use the stitch marker here because it will be little confusing over the step. So on row 4th, we will make total 24 single crochet, including both the circle. And at the end, on the stitch marker, make a slip stitch to end the row. Row 5 will be exactly same as row 4, 24 single crocheted around and slip stitch in the end. So if you want to make your heart shape little longer, you can repeat the same row again and again to give it this longer effect. For row 6, we will start our decreasing pattern. To do that, first chain 1, make 4 single crochet first, then make 2 consecutive decreases. To do that, insert the hook from this front loop of the chain like this. Again insert it on the second chain's first loop and combine them together and make a single crochet. I hope you will able to get that right. We will repeat one more time. Insert the hook on this first loop of the first chain, again first loop of the second chain, and combine them together. And this is your decreasing pattern. So we have made 4 single crochet into 2. Then we will make 8 single crochet here. After that, make 2 decreases here. Again make 4 single crochet and make a slip stitch on the first chain. This is the end of our 6th row. If you have any questions about the decreasing pattern or you did not understand any step, feel free to ask me on the comment section below. Seventh row will be very simple. No decreases here. We just make single crochet on each of the chains. We already make 2 decreases. So we are left with 20 chains. So we will make one more single crochet on each of them and slip stitch in the end. Row 8th, 9th and 10th, all 3 of them are going to be a decreasing pattern. On the 8th row, we will make 3 single crochet, again 2 decreases, six single crochet over here, again 2 decreases, 3 single crochet and a slip stitch in the end. Similarly, row 9th are going to be starting with chain 1, 2 single crochet, then 2 decreases, again 4 single crochet, 2 decreases, 2 single crochet and a slip stitch in the end. Similarly, row 10th is again going to be chain 1, 2 single crochet, 2 decrease and a slip stitch to end the row. So this is how after 10th row it's gonna look almost done. Here we have to stuff the heart with stuffing material. And at last we have to make 6 decreases altogether. So you already know how to make a decrease. So we have to combine all of them. We have to combine 2 together. That's how you make 6 decreases. And at the end make a slip stitch, or you can use a yarn needle as well to stitch the end. And this is how it's look at the end. So here is a very cute fluffy heart is done. You can use it anywhere, any gifting purpose, or maybe you can stick the heart into somewhere to make your handmade gift look more special. For example, I made this white cardigan exactly like my previous cardigan I uploaded on my channel. I added these little hearts to this and the cardigan ended up looking really aesthetic. And I hope you like the video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next one. Bye bye.